2, 3.
Okay. The next experiment on cement we are going to conduct, it is the standard consistency of a cement. The fineness of cement, that experiment already we have covered. Now the next experiment is, next property we have to check related to cement is standard consistency of cement. Now what is the standard consistency of cement? What is the purpose of this experiment? So in standard consistency of a cement, you have to check that how much exactly water percentage you need to form correct paste of a cement. You need to form the correct paste of the cement. For that you need one small equipment, and that equipment is V-cast apparatus. The name of this apparatus is V-cast apparatus. V-cast is the name of the scientist. Okay. So now I am going to tell you some parts of this V-cast apparatus. So this is the mold. This is a mold. Okay. So this is the non-porous glass plate. Okay. This is the frame of the equipment. Okay. And this is the weight of 300 grams. So this is the release pin. This is the release pin. Okay. And this is the indicator. This is the indicator. On this indicator we are going to take the measurement. Now for the consistency, to check the consistency of a cement, you need one plunger. That plunger is called a consistency test plunger. Okay. So size of this plunger is exactly, it is a 50 mm in height, 50 mm in height and 10 mm in diameter, 10 mm in diameter. Okay. So what you have to do in this experiment? What you have to do in the experiment? So first you have to take the 400 gram cement. First you have to take the 400 gram cement. Okay. And then you have to add the percentage of water by assuming some percentage. You have to assume one initial percentage, that is 28%, then 29% and 30%. Like this you have to increase or decrease the percentage water assumption of the experiment. Now where exactly you have to stop this experiment? Exactly when you have to stop the experiment. So this plunger should penetrate in the paste till up to 5 to 7 mm. Till up to 5 to 7 mm. You have to check that on this indicator. You have to check that on this indicator, and if this plunger should penetrate the in paste up to 5 to 10 mm, then you have to final the percentage of consistency of cement.
2, 3.
Now we are going to actual conduction of this experiment. So the first you have to take the cement of 400 gram. Okay. So I will weight this. $400 gram sample you require. Okay, 400 gram sample you require. Little bit it is just more. You have to take some. Okay, now it is 400 gram. Now it is 400 gram. Okay. Now next what to do? You have to take this cement in a tray, and now you have to add the water. Now you have to add the water. Now how much water you have to add? So initially you have to assume the percentage of water. It is from 28%, 29%, 30%. Like this you have to check that up to the final consistency of cement. Okay. So for 400 gram. Now first initially I am going to assume the 28%. So 28% of 400 gram is nothing but 112 gram. That is sorry, 112 ml, sorry, 112 ml. So to add the water 112 ml in the cement, to add the water 112 ml in the cement. The now the measuring flask is having the 100 ml measurement. So you have to take the first 100 ml. Check the correct measurement. Yes, so now it is nearly the 100 ml. Just some water required. Yes, now it is 100 ml. Okay, you add this water in the cement like this, and 12 ml extra water you required. 12 ml extra water you required to total 12 ml, only 12 ml required. Okay, to add it, now you have to make the mix. You have to prepare the mix like this. So assumed percentage of water is 28%, and you have to pour this mix in a mold. You have to pour this mix in a mold. Okay, one, two, three. Okay, so the mixing is ready. So I was poured this mix in a mold. Okay, so let's first fix this plunger like this. Okay, so this is the fixing of plunger, and then you have to put this mold exactly below this plunger, exactly below this plunger. Okay, and now what to do? Now you have to check the penetration. I have to check the now exactly you have to touch this plunger at the top of this mold, and then to release the plunger and take the measurement. Now I am going to releasing this weight. Yes, look the measurement. The measurement is very high. So up to 5 to 7 mm from the bottom of the mold, the measurement should be. Then your consistency is final. So this measurement is, this is nothing but it is 35 mm from the bottom of the mold. So it is not recommended. You have to take the more water to find out the final consistency of a cement. Now we are going to conduct the next trial by taking a 30% of water. Okay, so we are now adding the more water to get the standard consistency. Okay, Our first trial is by taking 28% of water. Now we are increasing the percentage of water. Now we are going to take the 30% of water. The same procedure you have to adopt, that is 400 gram the cement is taken in the tray. Okay, already I have weighed it, and now you have to pour the 30% of water, that means 120 ml. 120 ml. So already I have taken the 100 ml of water. Okay, so I will put this water in the cement like this. Okay, and again the 20 ml we required. Yes, so just it. Yes, it is 20 ml. So you have to pour this in the cement sample. Okay, now you have to mix. Now you have to mix. Okay, so our next trial is ready. So you have to fill the mold within 3 to 5 minutes from the tray. Okay, then you have to put the same sample below the plunger. Okay, you have to repeat this procedure till the measurement should be 5 to 10 mm, 5 to 7 mm from the bottom of the mold. Now I am going to releasing the weight slowly. Check the measurement. Okay, wait for 1-2 minutes. Okay, the measurement from the bottom of the mold is 31 mm. 31 mm. Again, it is not satisfied. So you have to take the one more trial to find the standard consistency of cement. Okay. Okay, now we are going to conduct the next trial, because our first two trials are not recommended. That means till you have to do this iteration up to the till the penetration is 5 to 7 mm from the bottom of the mold. So now I was already prepared all these things. 400 mm gram cement is taken, as well as the assumed next percentage is 32%. So I added the 124 ml of water here, and then I will prepare this mix, and again I want to take the penetration. Now I want to check the penetration. Okay, so this thing already I have done. Okay, now only you have to take the penetration. So just touch on it and release gently. Okay, so now I am going to releasing. Wait for 1-2 minutes. Look the results. The indicator is coming down. Indicator is coming down. Yes. Look, the indicator is coming down. Yes. Now it is okay. So it is nearly 7 mm. So our recommendation is correct. That means our standard consistency for the cement is 32%. Okay, so now I want to show you the calculations. Okay, please. Our first trial is cement 400 gram, Water, first assumed water percentage 28%. Water added 112, the result is 35 mm. Second trial is the cement 400, 30% assumed water, 120 ml, 31 mm is the result. Last trial is 400 mm sample, 32% water, 124 ml, and finally we get the 7 mm is the result. Now what is the conclusion? Standard consistency of OPC is of, it is 32%. So this is the completion of this experiment. That is, standard consistency of our cement is 32%.